Manually saving contact details from business cards to your mobile phone book can be incredibly stressful. For one thing, you have over 8 fields from each card to capture. Then, you have to keep the phone book data updated at all times. Contact details from business cards go obsolete by 30% every year. What is the use of subscribing for a business card scanner mobile application that cannot meet the need to keep your phone book updated? The entire experience of dealing with obsolete data can leave you frustrated and anxious, especially when you cannot reach out to your customers, which happens when you pick a wrong business card scanner application. A wrong business card scanner application can erode your customer database and send your networking efforts down the drain. A mere business card scanner application alone cannot help you build and nurture your network. You need a smart networking manager and digital business card that works in tandem with your business card scanner. That's where I come in. I am Eva, a productivity mobile application developed by Prashna Enterprise Solutions Private Limited. Patiently watch the video till the end. It will help you to make the right choice.
Let us look at all the features of Eva Business Card Scanner Bundle. Save all possible information from business cards for future reference. Click the pics of visiting cards and scan them later. Digital business card worth $27 free for life. Provide updated contact information 24/7 to your clients. Priority in-app support. Capture home and work Google coordinates with one click. Scan contact info from both sides of the business card. Scan business card QR codes and save contacts in phone book. Share resume or brochure. Export scanned cards and Eva phone book as Excel file. Capture all contacts details from business cards at lightning speed. Store contact details in user-friendly digital format. Share and receive 3 times more information. Quickly scan, store, and manage hundreds of business cards. Import visiting card images from gallery and scan them. Share social media profiles. $1 subscription fee for 3 months.
What more can you ask for? Click the link in the description to download and subscribe for Eva Business Card Scanner Bundle offer on your mobile phone. The clock is ticking, and time is running out.